Okay, so my new 55-inch Samsung Smart TV from 2019 actually has the Apple TV app installed. So now I actually have Apple TV without having the unit itself. And it's amazing. So as you can see down here, you have different apps in this excellent UI. And by the way, all apps I use now is even better than having an Android TV box, because this TV is so fast, so everything works perfectly fine in 4K, Ultra HD and everything. So I really love that. But let's see the Apple TV app then. Just start it like this. Hi. And when it has started, you can see above here you have Watch Now, Movies, My Library. It's empty now because I haven't bought any movies. And here is Search, and here is Settings. So that's pretty good, I think. So let's see the Watch Now. Then you can go down here, Don't Miss, and you have all the movies and so on that you can watch, you can buy or rent. Works great. And we have new and watch-worthy movies, popular, new movies, and so on. And also you can see that you can have some Apple TV channels. And I think when Apple releases Apple TV Plus, this TV will support that too. That will be interesting to see. So, as you can see, a lot of different things you can watch. And of course you can go through movies by navigating like this. So let's say that I want to watch the new Avengers Endgame. Then I just click on that. And then you can see that you can buy it for 169 Swedish crowns, but you can't rent this yet. You can only buy it, and you can choose HD or SDH. I don't know what that is. SDH quality, but HD I know. And you have a lot of info about the movie and so on. HDH is subtitles for deaf people. So SDH is subtitles. Okay, so you can see a lot of different information about the movie. So Apple TV on this brand new Samsung TV works great. Can highly recommend that. But that's not all. This TV also have AirPlay 2. So I can actually have screen mirroring, for example, from my iPhone to the TV, and I can cast movies and so on to the TV using AirPlay 2. And it can also play music and so on by using AirPlay 2. So let's see how that works. So let's start with the screen mirroring from my iPhone XS Max. Just do that by clicking screen mirroring. Now you can see bedroom, soveroom in Swedish, shows up, and that is this TV. So when I click on that, as you can see, I have a screen mirroring from my iPhone XS Max. As you can see, very, very nice. So if I now start, for example, the web browser Safari, as you can see now, I have full screen mirroring with pretty good syncing, so not so much lag or anything. And I have it in landscape mode. You can see I have the web page here in landscape mode. So the screen mirroring feature works awesome. That's something about AirPlay 2 that I really love. But you can, as I said, also cast different things to this TV by using AirPlay 2. So for example, if I want to watch this movie using AirPlay 2, I can do that, as you can see now. Now this phone casts the video to the TV, as you can see, using AirPlay 2. Very, very good.